You've just wound down 19 straight hours in Nintendo. Your brain is totally waxed, and as you crash, you find yourself mumbling incoherently verse after verse of Mad's Joystick Jabberwocky. 'Twas Billy and the Shy Guy clones did Grax and Grumple in the crade. All Lizzie were the hanger zones and Fanto renegade. Beware the shadow boss, my son, the killer clams, the mummy men. Don't Goomba with a newel and shun the death breath known as Ken. He holds at Zegmos from afar, dodge zombie slime with lightning scroll, while Zelda in her Mamda jar made Yuki with a troll. And as he beaked for Pyrodox, the shadow boss twin bellowed through. Backed up by Peng's Chicago Ox, 12 Ninjas, and McGoo. Dagoom, Dagoom, Zabs met their doom. And when the final Fofu fell, lay blooper ranks of battle tanks, and Mario as well. And hast thou zapped the shadow boss? Well, spike my floss, no sniff at thee. Kaloo, Kaloo, or oh. He dackered in his spree. 'Twas Billy and the Shy Guy clones did Grax and Grumple in the crade. All Lizzie were the hanger zones, and Fanto renegade.